स्वागत है आपका शॉर्टहैंडियंस डॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच। The instant writ petition has been preferred by the petitioner under Articles 226/227 of the Constitution of India seeking issuance of an appropriate writ order or direction, especially in the nature of certiorari, quashing impugned order dated 16/7/2015 in bracket annexure P4 bracket out, passed by respondent number 3, District Collector Barnala, and order dated 8/2/2021 in bracket annexure P6 bracket out, passed by respondent number 2, Commissioner Patiala Division Patiala, wide which ex parte order has been passed by respondent number 3 for deficiency of stamp duty and registration fee under the Indian Stamp Act 1899 has wrongly been assessed against the petitioner full stop para. Notice of motion full stop para. Miss Anju Arora, Additional Advocate General, Punjab, accepts notice on behalf of the respondents full stop para. It is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that the sale deed in question was registered on 8/4/2013 full stop. The collector is stated to have passed the order finding out the deficiency in the stamp duty wide order dated 16/7/2015 full stop. However, at the time of passing of the said order, the petitioner was never served full stop. Although Mustari Munadi is alleged to have been conducted, but the same was not done at the place where the petitioner is residing, even as per the address mentioned in the sale deed full stop. Moreover, no separate notice is even alleged to have been served upon the petitioner full stop para. Hence, the order was passed by the collector Barnala without affording an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner full stop. The petitioner came to know that she had been proceeded against ex parte only when she had gone to the office of the sub-registrar in connection with sale of some property full stop para. Thereafter, the appeal was filed by the petitioner full stop. The issues qua not granting opportunity of hearing as well as on merits were duly raised by the petitioner full stop. However, the appellate authority has wrongly rejected the appeal filed by the petitioner full stop. The plea raised by the petitioner qua not granting opportunity of hearing has not been dealt with by the appellate authority full stop. Rather, much emphasis has been laid on the fact that the appeal filed by the petitioner is time barred full stop para. On the other hand, counsel for the state has submitted that the order has rightly been passed regarding deficiency of stamp duty as pointed out by the audit party in this regard full stop. The Mustari Munadi was conducted in the area where the property is situated full stop. Hence, no fault could be found with the order passed by the authorities full stop para. After hearing the counsel for the parties and having perused the records, this court finds substance in the arguments raised by the petitioner full stop. It is obvious that the respondents do not even claim to have sent notice at the address where the petitioner full stop is residing in bracket as mentioned in the sale deed bracket out full stop. Even the Mustari Munadi is stated to have been conducted at the place where the property in question is situated and not at the place where the petitioner is residing, full stop. This is not even the claim of the respondents that any publication in the newspaper was made by them, full stop, para. Hence, it is much clear that the petitioner remained unheard in the matter, full stop, para. The aforesaid fact is duly supported by the circumstances that despite having assessed order 16/7/2015, even the respondents had not taken any step, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये 110 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो गया है पंजाब एंड हरियाणा चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट के लिए, स्टेनोटाइपिस्ट और सीनियर स्केल स्टेनोग्राफर के लिए, ठीक है। इसमें बरनाला आया हुआ है तो बी में आर का हुक, एन डाउनवर्ड एल बन जाएगा, ज़रूरी वॉवल्स लगा दीजिएगा। और डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर तो आप लोग जानते ही हैं, अंजू अरोड़ा तो आप जानते ही हैं, एन और जे, और उसमें फिर अंजू रा, चलिए अरोड़ा अलग कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है। डाउनवर्ड आर, अपवर्ड आर, ठीक है, अरोड़ा, ठीक है। और ये है मुस्तारी मुनादी, हो सकता है इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन हमसे कुछ गलत निकल गई हो, इसीलिए आप लोग समझ तो जाएंगे ही, क्योंकि टर्म आप लोग इसको जानते ही होंगे, तो स्पेलिंग तो आप लोग देख ही लेंगे। मुस्तारी मुनादी को बनाइए क्या, एम सर्किल थ्रो द लाइन एट टी जाएगा और फिर अपवर्ड आर जाएगा, ई की वॉवल, मुस्तारी को आर को एम से काट दीजिए तो मुस्तारी मुनादी हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया। और अगर मुनादी अकेले आए तो पूरा बनेगा मंडे थ्रो द लाइन, ठीक। और इसमें कुछ नहीं है, तो चलिए इसको लीजिए, मिस्टेक्स बताइएगा। मिस्टेक नहीं बताते हैं पंजाब वाले, क्या बात है, डिक्टेशन लेते नहीं हैं क्या, या अच्छा नहीं लगता है, या मिस्टेक ज़्यादा आती है? जो भी आती है उसको मिस्टेक बताइए, इससे कंपटीशन आएगा, थोड़ा पता चलेगा, लोग एक दूसरे को बताएंगे चैनल पे, तो दूसरों को देखकर थोड़ा सा 100 में से 10 लोग तो जागेंगे ना, तो ऐसे करिए और अच्छा भी लगेगा, ठीक है। तो इसको लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा वीडियो को पसंद आए तो, और कमेंट करके अपने व्यूज़ दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, तैयारी कीजिए, ऑल द बेस्ट।